Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD and welcome to the ASD physics classes. I hope so you all are enjoying my videos because now onwards regularly I am updating the videos. So my dear students, today we are going to solve the question from the chapter work energy and power, and you know very well this work energy power chapter belongs to which standard? 11th standard. Okay, so let's start the question here. So my dear students, here a ball is released from top of the smooth vertical tube. Smooth vertical tube. The angle made by ball with vertical when it just leaves the contact from inner surface. So what we have to calculate here? We have to calculate the angle, and this angle is from where? We have to calculate the angle from the vertical. Okay, so my dear students, first in this question we have to identify the key concept. First concept is that here the surface is smooth. So when the surface is smooth, there is no friction. So in this situation what we can do? We can apply the conservation of energy concept. First concept. Second thing here, my dear students, the tube is vertical. That means anyhow the ball is moving on the circular path. So here what is there? The ball should be experiencing the centripetal force. Second concept. The third concept is that the ball is going to leave the contact. So when the ball will leave the contact, what will happen? The normal reaction on the ball at that instant will become how much? 0. Okay, so first let's draw the diagram here. So my dear students, here please, here I have taken the one tube. This is the tube here, okay, and here the ball is here at the top. Now let me draw here one vertical line because we have to calculate the angle from the vertical. Okay, so let's take this is the point A. Now the ball is released from here. So when the ball will release from here, what will happen? The initial speed will be 0, and when the ball is reached here, this is the center, and here R, and this angle is theta. So when the ball will reach here, its speed is V. Okay, my dear students, so what we'll do here? First we are going to apply the concept of conservation of energy. Why? Because the surface is water, the surface is smooth. Okay, so let me divide into the two parts so that we can get the more space here. Okay, so my dear students, let me write here as surface is smooth. As surface is smooth. So what will happen that here? Energy at point A will be equal to energy at point B. And this is which energy? This is the total energy. And in our syllabus, how many kinds of energy is there? Potential and kinetic. So let me draw here please. Potential energy UA, kinetic energy KA, here UB plus KB. Now, my dear students, we have to write the potential energy at point A. So first when we are going to write the potential energy, what we have to do? We need one reference. So here I have taken the reference. This is the reference here. So at this point a reference is there, and let's take this is the G here. So this UG is 0. Now let's see the height here. So first let me draw here the line here. This is one horizontal line and this is the second horizontal line here. By taking the 2 points here, and let's take this point is B. So now just guess please, what is the height of the point A? This one how much? This is R. This is R, and this is also R. That means see please, with respect to the reference, total height how much here? 2R. So let me write here mg into 2R plus kinetic energy at point A how much? 0. Why? Because the ball is released here. Okay, so here we have to write here the 0. Now the potential energy at point B will be how much here? Think. What will happen? See please, this is R, and if we see here this triangle here, see this is the one triangle here, this is the triangle here like this here. So this is theta, this is R. So this is how much here? R cos theta. That means we can tell this height, this is this much length. This much length is what? This much length is R cos theta. Now see total height how much here? This is R and this is R cos theta. So I am going to write here mg R plus R cos theta and plus kinetic energy at point B how much here? Half mv square here. Okay, so half mv square. Now what we'll do here? We will just simplify this one here. So let's simplify here. So we can cancel m both the sides. So it will become here 2gr is equal to gr plus gr cos theta plus v square by 2. Then we will simplify more. So gr will come this side. So 2gr minus gr minus gr cos theta is equal to v square by 2. So hence v square will come what here? V square will come here 2 gr minus gr cos theta. Even you can take gr also outside, no problem. Okay, so this one we have got the first condition. Now we have to apply the second concept. the second concept is what? We are going to apply the centripetal force. So let me write here the second concept. This is first and this is the second concept. So my dear students, let me draw here one more here. So this is, and here the ball B is there here, okay, and this angle how much here? This angle is theta. So we know very well weight acts in which direction? Weight acts in a downward direction here. So see here, this is mg. Now this angle theta, so this angle also theta here, vertically opposite angle here, corresponding angle actually, okay. So let me draw here this side component how much here? This side the component is mg cos theta, and normal reaction acts in which direction? Always perpendicular. So this is normal reaction here. Now as the ball is moving in a circular path, we need centripetal force. And what is the centripetal force formula? Guess please. Centripetal force formula is FB is equal to mv square by r. Now we'll simplify more here. So FB here, who will provide the centripetal force? This mg cos theta towards center and normal reaction away. So centripetal force is given by mg cos theta minus n is equal to mv square by r. Now see, as the ball is going to leave the contact, so when the ball will leave the contact, what I told you, normal reaction should be how much? The normal reaction should be 0. So we'll write here mg cos theta is equal to how much? This one, mv square by r, because normal reaction how much? 0, is it? So this one has become 0. Now again this m and m cancel. So what this will become here? Let's see here. This g cos theta is equal to, now the v square value how much here? Let's see from here, v square value here. So see here, this 2gr 1 minus cos theta. Now my dear students, this g and this g also cancelled, is it? Now after that again we'll simplify more here. What will happen here? See here, this cos theta will become how much? This 2r minus 2r cos theta. Okay, we have to just check it here because both the sides it should be balanced here. That means here some r should be there. Here please, this r is there na, this r. So this r we have just left it here na. This r is there, this r. Okay, so this is by r will be here, by r. Now here also by r is there. So what will happen? R and r will cancel out. So let me write here. Here it will come here cos theta is equal to, because r will cancel out. So what this will become here? 2 minus 2 cos theta. Let's take 2 cos theta this side here, so it will become here 3 cos theta equal to 2. So hence cos theta will come how much here? 2 by 3. So my dear students, we have seen in this question the angle made from the vertical how much here? Cos theta equal to 2 by 3. Even my dear students, this is the one thing. Other things also we can calculate here. Let's take for example, if they ask the speed at point B, so this cos theta is there na, this cos theta we will put here and we'll get the speed also. If in case they ask the height, so what will the height here? The height, this height, what is the height? So height will be h equal to r plus r cos theta. Again you put the value of cos theta and you will get the height. So my dear students, in this question we can calculate the 3 things. What are the 3 things here? First one, we have got the angle. Second thing, we can calculate the speed by putting the value of cos theta here. And third thing, we can got the height also. Okay, so my dear students, in this question we have just use the concept of 3 things: conservation of energy, centripetal force and normal reaction 0. And my dear students, after this I will put one more question based upon the same concept. You just solve the question and comment your answers. Okay, and if you like the video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.